Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use synthetic division to divide polynomials. This powerful algebraic tool offers a streamlined approach to dividing polynomials, especially when your divisor is a simple linear factor. It's a fantastic shortcut that can save you a lot of time compared to traditional long division. We'll walk through the setup and execution step by step, making this complex topic easy to understand. To begin, identify the root of your linear divisor, which is the k value from x minus k, and place it to the left. Next, list all the coefficients of your dividend polynomial to the right, making sure to include a 0 for any missing terms in the sequence of powers. For example, if you have x cubed plus 1, you'd use 1, 0, 0, 1. This setup is crucial for a smooth process. Now, let's perform the division. First, bring down the leading coefficient of the dividend below the line. Then, multiply this number by the root you placed on the left and write the product under the next coefficient. Add these two numbers in the column. Continue this multiply and add process across all coefficients. Each step builds on the last, systematically reducing the polynomial. Once you've completed the process, the numbers below the line, excluding the very last one, represent the coefficients of your quotient polynomial, starting with a power 1 less than the original dividend. The final number is your remainder. If the remainder is 0, it means the divisor is a factor of the polynomial. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.